In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a quick checklist with this free template right here in Google Sheets. So you're trying to organize things at home or maybe at work or even at school, and you just want to make your own checklist that would automatically check out your to-do list once it's done, like so. This is how you're going to do it. So this is actually based from another video where I created this checklist. But if you still want to check that out and want to create that from scratch, I'll be leaving a card to that video at the top right corner for you to check out. But if you don't have the time to create this from scratch, what I'm going to do is to actually share this template to you. I'll be leaving the link to this template in the description of this video. Now, this template will only be shared in view-only mode. So what do you do when you do get the link? First, once you open the link, it's going to look like this. So again, you are only going to be in view-only mode if you want to request edit access. I will not be granting you that. What you can do to be able to have a copy of this template is to simply make a copy. So to make a copy, just go to File here in the menu bar and select Make a Copy. Once you do that, you are going to have the name for this checklist. You can rename that. Then choose where you want to save it. And once you're done, just click on Make a Copy at the bottom right corner. And here we have it. Now we have our own copy of that same template. So this is a copy of the checklist template. Again, if you try and click or tick on the checkboxes, you'll see that the format of our to-do list on the left side will be grayed out and crossed out. If you want to quickly change the format, what you're going to do is to select that range, then go to Format here in the menu bar, select Conditional Formatting, and this is our existing format for that range. If you do have a longer list, you can change the end cell reference for that range to, let's say, 100, and then it will be applied until your B100th cell. And of course, our formatting is right here. You can have that crossed out or not. That's totally up to you. Change the text color into a gray color and also the fill color if you wanted to. Let's say we also want that to be grayed out. There you have it. That is what it's going to look like. So once you check on these checkboxes, the formatting for your to-do list for those that are done will look like that. So if that's the format that you want, that is totally up to you. You can always change it with your conditional format rules. Click on Done, and there you have it. To make more checkboxes, all you have to do is to drag this down. There you go. Or you can also just select that range, go to Insert, and select Checkbox right here. And that's a quick way on how you can create your own checklist with this easy template right here in Google Sheets. So to get a copy of this template, again, the link will be in the description right below. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've also got a free guide linked in the same description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.